We're making 2-ingredient keto spinach wraps. Let's go. Zero carb. These 2-ingredient keto spinach wraps are so easy and simple to make. They're actually by Low Carb Norma, and I found her on Instagram, and I thought it would be a great alternative for you if you're having trouble with our very popular keto tortillas or you're just having a lazy day. Very similarly, we put it into a blender and that's how it is all mixed together. But we also have our Pasta 2.0 recipe that you can do the same thing. Chuck it into a blender and a liquid is formed and you just chuck it into your skillet. If you do find this recipe too spinachy, do click on this link now and it'll take you to something more similar to a wrap. Ingredients, shopping list, and the macros are listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. To a blender, add 65 grams of spinach leaves and 3 whole eggs. I'm just doing plain ones, so I added a ½ teaspoon of salt and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. Then blend it thoroughly until the mixture is all one color. Over a medium to low heat, generously spray a non-stick pan with cooking spray. Then add 1/3 of the mixture, which is about 70 grams, and spread it around so it covers the surface. Now you just need to cover it and let that cook for 2 minutes. Scrape down the edges so they come away from the pan, then flip them over, then let that cook for another minute. And this is how they should turn out. Remove and repeat the process, which will give you a total of 3 wraps. You may be concerned that these might tear when wrapping, so here I'm just adding my fillings: a spread of mayonnaise, shredded chicken and avocado, and seasoned with everything but the bagel seasoning. And see, they're delicate, yes, but they do not tear. See how simple that was to make? The only trick is you must use cooking spray, because even with a non-stick pan, my wraps were sticking. So do be generous with your cooking spray. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.